Hello and welcome to a new episode from GoldenRetrieverTrainingTips.net. Today we are going to talk about Golden Retriever Obedience Training Tips. The Golden Retriever breed is one of the finest and most intelligent of all breeds of dogs. They are not only smart and sophisticated, but also have a knack of learning new things. However, you have to be quite patient with your Goldie, especially if he seems to be taking time in learning something as against its nature. The training of your pet shall start with Golden Retriever obedience training so that you can communicate with your dog effectively. It is advisable to go for the rewards obedience training method for your Goldie rather than leash training, because leash training can put an adverse impact on the delicate breed. Furthermore, make sure you pat your pet and show your appreciation every time he obeys your commands. The best way to go about Golden Retriever training is through verbal commands. They take up commands quite well. You should start with the command, sit, and reward your dog for sitting. Once he understands that he will be rewarded to respond in a particular way for sitting, he will follow your command easily. Once your Goldie has learned to sit, you can move on to other commands such as lie, and repeat the reward technique. The third set of commands will include go, as well as stop. These commands can be better taught by the leash method, as when your dog learns to associate the word go with loose leash that enables him to move, and stop with a tightened leash. He will start associating the words with the movement. It is advisable to move to commands such as stay later. It is important to teach your Goldie only one command at a time because doing otherwise can confuse your dog and make it unable to follow your commands. Once your dog has learned the basics, you can move on to more complicated commands, but always keep in mind that you will have to keep repeating basic commands every time you teach him something new to make sure that he is able to differentiate between the two commands and is not confusing the two for each other. To know more about Golden Retriever training, visit GoldenRetrieverTrainingTips.net. I hope you have enjoyed this episode and stay tuned for more to come.